Where have you been? Are you going in there, are you? I just caught you eating the bird's biscuits. Come here. Come on. I just caught you eating the bird's biscuits. What have you got to say about that? Hey? What have you got to say? Those biscuits were for the birdies, not for pussycats. They're not for pussycats, those biscuits. You've just eaten them, so you're not getting any more. Okay? Hello. Did you eat all the biscuits? You did, didn't you? Oh, ate all the biscuits.